On YouTube, it's your boy INFINITI back with another video, man, bro. And it's gonna be a night POV, bro. You feel me? I'm down here, bro. Look at the car, bro. The car is all cleaned up there, man. It's all clean, bro. Feel me? Car still sounds good, bro. You feel me? So I'm just gonna hop outside and do a night POV, not too crazy, bro. You feel me? That motherfucker sound healthy, bro. I just did an oil change too, so that's why that shit sounds so healthy, bro. Feel me? So I said I'm just gonna take the camera off for y'all, man, and I washed the car today, all type of shit. I said, man, I just want to fucking show these guys the front emblem in the nighttime, bro. So, as you could hear, man, other cars going crazy there, man. So, without further ado, bro, I'm finna hop in the V, bro. In that bitch, so we're gonna pop two flames, bro. Shit like that, man. And I might take a couple of pictures for the fucking Instagram shit, bro. But without further ado, man, I'm finna hop in the car and let's drive and see if we could get no opponent out there, man. Stay safe, please. I'll see you on the next clip. Beep. Alright, man, we're here on the camera, bro. Make sure everything is sturdy, bro. Oh, y'all been, man. Bro, I feel like, bro, I haven't did a night POV in a long time, bro. You know, I haven't did a night POV in a long time, bro. I haven't did a night POV in a minute, bro. As you guys could tell, we added on this fucking little cheap ass 5 and below fucking nighttime light there, bro. You feel me? Ain't not too crazy, bro. Playing some Jamaican music, bro. You feel me? Nothing too crazy, dog. It's not gonna be like a wild little POV, bro. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and everything. I have a video dropping before this one, so I'll make sure you guys show some love to that one, bro. You feel me? I told y'all, bro, I'm gonna be I'm consistent now, bro. Feel me? Told y'all, man, we're back. Why my GoPro sliding up like that, bro? Like, I'm not digging that, bro. Oh my God, bro. We downtown with it, bro. We downtown with it, gang. To come this way, but I guess, bro, fuck it. I never wanted to come this way, bro. Bro, it's like I'm like, bro, I already can't see in the fucking night, bro. You feel me? I don't like doing night POVs, bro, cause the potholes be on my ass, bro, and it's just fucking dark, bro. So you feel me? But as I said, man, I'm in regular eco map, bro. Just driving and just, you know what I mean? I want to show some love and appreciation to all my subscribers, bro. I want to show some love and appreciation to my my subscribers, bro. But I'm not doing too much talking, man. I want y'all to hear this engine, bro. I want y'all to hear these engine, man. I don't want to bust no flames today, bro. I just want to chill today, bro, cause you know what I mean? Not in that mood today, bro. You feel me? See, and the potholes, bro. You feel me? So Nah, man, I'm just chilling today, bro. Chilling tonight, bro. Just chilling tonight, bro. You know, just taking a little drive out there, man. Feel me? So how y'all been, man? How y'all been, bro? Look at the little red lights, bro. They're cheap, man. 5 and below, bro. Feel me? 5 and below. Y'all could go get that at 5 and below. It's not no TikTok shop. It's 5 and below, bro. My shit is foggy back there, bro. Like, shit is cold, man. Like, yeah, man. But how y'all been, though, man? Thank you guys for the subscribers, man, and everything like that, bro. I'm really appreciative of everything, bro. You feel me? So, who is this guy feeling like? What, are you kidding me? It's always them guys, you know, bro. You feel me? But yeah, man. As I said, bro, I'm gonna be more consistent with the videos, bro. You feel me? As you guys could tell, I dropped 2 videos. I got one dropping this Sunday, which is tomorrow, and then this one is gonna drop, I don't know. This car is loud, bro, you know? I like... This car is overly loud, bro. And I need new brakes too, bro. It's, oh, I didn't, like, my friends be telling me my shit be loud, bro, but I can't tell because I'm like always inside the car, but it's fucking loud, bro. It's too loud. This. Imagine when I'm popping flames, bro. Overly loud, bro. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, man. You know, just driving around the city, bro. I'm not going on the highway, bro. I'm just chilling tonight, bro. And it's fucking all these bright ass lights, bro. I can't see nothing, bro. You feel me? But I just changed my oil today. Brand new oil in there, bro. We got the brand new oils in there, man. I wonder if it won't want to dig. I wonder if it won't want to dig off of here, so, bro. Uncle, yeah, I say, line up the uncle, I would like you're scared, so uncle. This video, bro, I'm just low-key chilling, bro, not doing too much talking, bro. I'm cruising, literally. Ooh. Oh my God, bro, this car is loud, bro. Bro, my car is loud, gango. Like, I don't trust this car, bro. This car's a snitch. 6'9" ass car, bro. Oh my God, bro. Yeah, me not trust a car, bro. Believe you me. The car too bumbuckle that loud, dog. You dig me? I mean, I walk out the rough shot in the night, dog. And they too late, bro, lad. I mean, you know the little way, the dog. I'm like, a POV me, bro. I have to do this for you, dog, them, dog. You see me, bro? You see me, bro, lad? I don't want the man them getting a feeling weird, bro. I record my video, bro, dog. You see me? But make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, man. I not stop telling you that, dog. You see me? Because we're going crazy, bro. We're being consistent, bro. bro, no red light, we not no wireless tonight. We just a cruise and go through the city, dog, you see me? Cruise, we are cruise and go through the city, you know, then look away the area, you record a video, you gone viral, know that a quote. Yeah, you know, then look away there, and I just want them things that we just go on easy, bro. Just a cruise on B road, yeah. Mercy, man. The car just strong, man. Like, I advise everybody to get a VQ, bro. I advise everybody to get a VQ, bro. You feel me? Like this car is overly loud, bro. Overly loud, bro. Too loud, bro. I'm not trying to fucking blaze down this road there, man. You feel me? Just taking my sweet time, bro. Pothole. This is, I hate doing night POVs, bro, because I can't fucking see through the tints, bro. Feel me? But just cruising, as I said, bro. I know I said that like 20 times. I don't know what to say. I'm like, today I've just been chilling, bro. I just been chilling today, bro. Nothing too wild, bro. They got this new fucking weed place over here, bro. Cannabis. It's nice. It's nice. I them because I bum buckle money and me I try to make some money off of YouTube right now. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and everything. Get over that stuff. Say it. Bro, the car low, dog. I'm just in standard, bro, and the car low like that, bro. Like, god damn, bro. Like, sometimes, bro, in the morning time, because I go to work like early in the morning, I be scared to fucking start my car, gang. Yeah, in the morning time, bro, because I asked one of my tenants at the house, I said, man, is my car is loud? She said, man, the car be fucking shaking the fucking place down, bro. Car be shaking the place down, bro. But as I said, I'm not like stepping in it, you know. I'm not like, oh, I'm not trying to drive out the beast, bro. You see me? I try to ease myself, bro, tonight, bro. Just cruising, man. You feel me? I see that me I tell you, police over there. So luckily, yes, bro. Let me tell you something, man. You see, if you see me a fly go down the road, bro, I'm up behind me, bro. You see me and what? Him a listen out to me, bro, and we know in him, bro, God. So we don't even run the light or nothing, bro. We just easy, bro. You see me? Put this over here, so, bro. We are keep a camera rolling today, if anything go on. You know, we're not even should have a camera, we just make him know, say, sir, I just want to look up POV where they are, though. Can't see my car roll, lad. And that me I make him know. Me have my seat belt, everything code up. You see me? We not should have a camera, man. See him go up on the left there. That was a bike car. That's it. She push it off. You tell her, you see me tell her, you're a batty boy. Whoever you is, remember me tell you that, man. It's hard out here to it. Yo, bro, me tell you that, bro. Me tell you that, but glad me I record that, bro. I'm going to have my camera, bro. I hear me a bark, bro. I hear somebody a bark. I hear somebody a dark up the street in the chat. See me? But The thing with this car is, bro, if you build it with the exhaust, the arc exhaust, bro, shout out to arc exhaust, bro. Like, look, I'm like cruising right now. I just got out of the fucking manual, bro. I'm cruising right now, bro, and you can't hear nothing. So he hopped up behind me, as y'all could tell, you heard me? Because he hears something that tear around the car there, bro, and the car is overly loud, bro. Like, my homeboys be telling me, bro, your car is fucking loud, but I don't really hear my car outside driving. I'm the only nigga who really drive my car, so I can't tell. But I hear him somebody a bum buckler tear down the street, dog, all like a bro, lad, and him say, alright then, look, he jump out. And my car look like a carrier, I go sound like that. And him really look, oh, so I say, alright then, I pull up on the pussy, but no, nigga, you nah pull up on me, bro. Fuck wrong with that nigga there. You feel like we have food on that, dog. Yeah, man, that's why I said I'm just gonna fucking chill tonight, bro, because the car is overly loud, bro. I'm not trying to get pulled over tonight, bro. Like, I don't want no run-ins with the fucking cops, as I said, bro. No speeding ticket, no dumbass shit like that. And I'm happy, bro. I'm happy I fucking slow down in time, bro. Feel me? I'm happy I slow down in time, but I'm trying to look for somewhere where I could park up and just show y'all the view real quick, man. Or maybe I'm gonna grab some food real quick. I'm gonna grab some food, bro. You heard me? Should I fucking record everything, bro, that I do, bro? Like, I just need like a little biggie bag. I just need like a biggie bag, bro. You feel me? Roads like these, bro, I'm not driving fast. I'm sorry, y'all, I can't fucking see. And there's fucking potholes everywhere, bro. I'm not doing it, bro. Straight up. My car smells so fresh too, bro. Cause I fucking washed my car today, bro, and clean my shit up, vacuum my shit up, put some new fucking Febreze and shit in my shit, bro. My shit, look how dark it is, bro. It's dark, bro, cause I got like 20% on the front of my windshield, bro. I got 20 all around, 20 all around. You hear me? So I gotta keep my eyes on the road, bro. I'm not trying to fuck my car up, bro, for y'all niggas, man. And y'all niggas ain't even subscribing to the channel, bro. Y'all gotta subscribe, bro. Please, bro, subscribe to the channel, bro. It really helps the channel, bro. I'm telling y'all, if y'all want to be a part of the gang, and I'm finna do a fucking giveaway when I get to 1,000 subscribers, bro. So make sure you guys look at that Q right, man. Q50 taking over the city, bro, straight up. And I'm finna put this fucking Q50 on the map, bro. But I need y'all help though, twin. Y'all gotta watch the video to the end, bro. Please, bro. You feel me? Subscribe to the channel, bro. Don't just watch the fucking video and don't subscribe, bro. That's fucking weird, bro. Like, if you like the car and this is the car you want to get, why are you fucking watching the video and not subscribing to the fucking channel? We gonna help y'all, bro. That's why we here. We the first niggas with the fucking vehicle. So y'all want to hear, bro, make sure y'all do y'all maintenance and time and shit like that, bro. You feel me? Especially y'all want to get y'all car tuned too, bro. You feel me? So like, bro, lock in, bro. Lock in, bro. Lock in with the gang, bro. You feel me? Lock in with the gang, bro. You feel me, bro? On God, bro. Alright, we taking over, bro. Clearly, bro. Like, I remember this channel was like, what? We was at, what, 5th? I remember when I was at like 2 subscribers, bro. 5 subscribers. No, we have like, what, 753 subscribers, bro. And I want y'all to just like, I just want y'all to fucking subscribe and get me to 1,000 subscribers. Is that fucking hard to ask for, bro? I'm not asking y'all niggas for a lot, bro. Just make sure when y'all fucking watch the video, bro, just like the video, bro, and subscribe, bro. I'm not stressing it enough, bro, but without further ado, bro, I'm not gonna chop y'all ears off and don't fucking subscribe and all the dumbass shit like that, bro. At the end of the day, bro, if y'all like the channel, bro, just subscribe. If y'all don't, bro, move on to the next, bro, you feel me? It's that simple, bro. But it's 11 o'clock now, bro. I can't even believe it's 11 o'clock, gang. I'm finna see if I could go get some Wendy's here real quick, bro. And just tap in with the chat, with the channel, bro, you feel me? I don't want to do no flames tonight, bro. As I said, bro, no flames, bro. No flames tonight, bro. I don't want to fucking rev my fucking engine up, bro, with no fucking fire every time, bro. And I'm putting y'all niggas up here, bro. I'm tired of holding y'all niggas, man. Y'all gotta hold y'all own, bro. Are you fucking kidding me? Him die like him, it's a fly past a chat. Like, what's going on, bro? Nigga, home my bitch ass. And it still pops too, bro, without fucking, yeah, that. Smooth road, bro. Smooth operator, yeah, yeah. Bro, like every day I fucking record a video for y'all, bro. I get comfortable, bro, every time. Them boys be around here too, bro. Like these are the corners these niggas be at too, bro. Y'all better be careful with all this bitch, bro. I'm telling y'all. They be around here, bro. I don't remember my turn though. I think that's somewhere around I say in the chat. I don't more dog. It's a matter of blind the fuck. Blind dog like a bat, bro. Blind, bro. But make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, bro. This is gonna be a small video, bro. Bro, the car just sound like a fucking V8, bro. I just saw one of my homeboys, man. The man said, why you can't sound like a fucking V8? I'm like, I don't know, bro. Car sounds good, sound good, bro. Car sound beautiful tonight, bro. I can't lie. I should have came up. That wouldn't make a difference, right? That's stupid. That would have made a difference, but I'm gonna fucking see if I could get like a little 4x4, bro, and tap back in with y'all, bro, and just end the video up there, bro. But yeah, man, I feel like the car's been doing pretty good. Damn, they're on good, bro. Car's been driving good, bro. So I'm just gonna hop in this fucking drive through here, bro. I feel like I'm gonna keep on recording for y'all, man. Fuck it. I just need a fucking biggie bag. Like, I don't need nothing too crazy, bro. I just need the minutes too, bro. Like the minutes. I need the minutes, bro. I need the minutes, man. Like, damn, bro. Need a minute. My cars draw a lot of attention, bro. Did I fucking scrape, bro? Fucking scrape them, man. But alright, I'm gonna hit y'all back, bro, real quick. I'll be back. Alright, VQ family, man. This is where we're gonna end the video tonight, bro. You feel me? Just got our food, bro. The 4x4, bro. And the cashier just subscribed to my channel, bro. You feel me? So that's love. You feel me? I feel like when it's time, I'm gonna change these to the colorful one so it could match the fucking emblem too, bro. We're late, bro. Just give me some time, bro. I'm doing everything, bro. Make sure, bro, you guys subscribe to the channel, bro. You feel me? I'm gonna put y'all on real quick. This shit is from 5 and below, bro. 5 and below, bro. 5 and below. Make sure 5 and below if y'all want that shit, bro. You feel me? Cause I can't do the original, bro. But are you fucking serious, bro? What is that shit on my car, man? Nah, man. That's fucking rigged there, twin. But you feel me? The car sounds great, bro. Feel me? This is where I'm gonna end the video, man. So without any further ado, man, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, man. And I'll see y'all in another video, man. Stay safe. Peace.